Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am vlogging me going shopping for my furniture in my room. I'm just about to head off. I'm about to get my friend and then off to IKEA we go. I personally can't wait, but please keep watching. Hi guys, so I am now in IKEA. So this is my friend Emily. I just found the perfect vanity, although I'm not getting it, but let's just have a look anyway. It's so pretty. Look inside. I love it. I found the desk that I want now. I just need to go down to the self-serve and get myself the actual desk. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. Nice. Ooh. 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 Yeah. And I'm getting similar drawers to those, but like just a bit finer. Oh yeah. Now we've sat down to eat lunch. I have a Coke, a potato salad and some Swedish meatballs, and I can't wait to eat. So hi everyone. Yes, I am still in the cafeteria where we had our lunch, although me and my friend have finished our lunch and we're just sitting down chatting. Feeling quite bloated. Well, I am anyway. I don't know what my friend is feeling, but anyways, I finished our lunch and we are about to head off and grab the furniture, although we don't know where it is, so we might get lost. We don't know. We found the furniture. I'll just flip you around and show you what we've got. So here's our lovely furniture. Yes, we put our drinks and my bag on top of it because frankly my bag is actually really heavy. Yeah. So yeah, we got the furniture. It was actually really hard to get on there, which is why I didn't actually vlog it getting it on there, but yeah, now we have to go pay for it. Hi everyone. So we came to Kmart now. We've got a few stuff for like decoration, I guess. Yeah. So now we decided to do a haul. However, we didn't vlog in Kmart because it was really hectic in there. And it's not my local Kmart, so I didn't know where I was going. So really all you would have seen was us confused. What I got first was this clock radio. My current clock radio is broken, so we got this. My sister has the exact same one, and it's funny because I have the exact same bookshelf as her as well. So I'm just stealing all the items from her. Anyways, the next item I got was this large cosmetic organizer to put my everyday makeup in and shit on my desk slash vanity, because that's what I'm using my desk for. And the next item is this LED mirror. It lights up and everything, and it's kind of cool. So yeah, we got all these, and they're all from the home brand, which is Anko. So that's Kmart's home brand for the home section, whereas their home brand for the beauty section is different, which is kind of confusing, but it is. That doesn't matter. We're going back to my house. Emily is going to help me set up my furniture, or some of it at least. Yeah. And yeah, we'll see you there. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are back now in my room, and we are about to set up my drawers, and my sister and my friend are still here. My sister is just welcomed, and I'm going to put you into a montage. update, guys. This is embarrassing to admit, but we just put the top bit, bit there, on the wrong side. Yeah. So let's hopefully that doesn't matter, and because we physically cannot lift it off. Here, I'll show you. And yeah, can't lift it up. No, it's impossible. I've now completed building the drawers. It has probably taken us about 4 hours to complete it. We're so sore. Yeah, this concludes today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all those things. Bye. Bye. Okay guys, so we've you just had to always coming. I know. Well, I'm just sliding with my thumbs up. I don't know what else to do. It's totally fine. I'm kind of awkward with the camera as well because this is kind of new to me. Yeah. I don't really vlog, so yeah, that's a first. Okay, so we have this running joke in our friend group where we always imitate each other, especially by using a lot of hand gestures. So this is what Emily is doing right now. Phone, because all it has is my butt. Let's move it there.